Class 10 children, I have come with a new question from the chapter Similar Triangle. So let us begin. In the figure, this is the figure, AB and DE are perpendicular to BC. So AB and DE, these two lines are perpendicular on BC. That means they are falling on BC and they are perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree has been formed at the base. So this is perpendicular. If AB is 9 centimeter, as you can see, AB is 9 centimeter, DE 3 centimeter, AC is 24, this everything, AC is 24 centimeter. Now calculate AD. That means you have to find AD, only this much. Number 1 question. And number 2 question, find the ratio of the area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEC. So you have to find the ratio of area of these two triangles ABC and DEC. So very easy question. Let us begin. So before we start proportionality theorem or area theorem, we need to prove that these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEC, they are similar. Without proving that, we cannot use both the formulas. So let us begin first that. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEC, in these two triangles, and triangle's name also has been given, same triangle's name I wrote here. Angle ABC is equal to angle DEC. Angle ABC is equal to angle DEC. You can see both are perpendicular, that is 90 degrees. So it is given in the question itself. So they are equal. Second one, angle ACB is equal to angle DCE. So you can see angle ACB, that means I am speaking about angle C. C means the middle one is C. So angle ACB means angle C. And angle DCE. So larger one and the smaller one, but in both the case angle C is coming, that means angle C is common. So we can say now when two angles are equal, then both the triangles are similar to each other. So by angle axiom we proved that both the triangles are similar to each other. Now we can use this formula. So this particular ratio formula comes from the name itself. If I take AB, I have to take DE. So AB by DE, BC by EC, you can see BC by EC, and AC by DC. So name itself, formula is hidden. So after that we put the value. So AB value you can see from the diagram, it is 9, DE is 3 centimeter, BC by EC not given, AC is 24, DC is not given. Now you can see this is completely given, this is upper part given, lower part not given, this is completely not given. So completely not given part we don't take in the next step. So we took first proportion and the last proportion. So that way we come to this place, first one and last one. And now DC into 9, 3 into 24. DC equal to 9 comes here and divides. So 9, 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are. So DC is 8. But children, we have to find AD. But we got DC. But this DC will help us to find AD. How? Because we can say AD is equal to everything AC minus DC. So AC, everything this AC and minus DC will give us AD. So AD equal to AC minus DC. AC is 24, DC is just now we got 8. 24 minus 8 is 16 centimeter. So our number 1 answer has come. Now we will go to the area formula. So in the area formula, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEC, because ratio also we can write in the form of division. So ratio we wrote in the division form. So here AB square by DE square, this first AB and then first DE square has been taken, because both the sides are known to us. As AB is given as 9, so 9 square, and DE is given as 3, so 3 square. So you can check here also, like you can see AB is 9 and DE is 3, so it is given. So 9 square, because in the area formula we need to put the square of a side. So 9 square by 3 square, that is 81 by 9 9 are 81, so 9 by 1. So our ratio will be 9:1, because in ratio we have to mention 1 also. This is our answer. So very similar question I have given you as homework, children. Please do it. and last time's questions solution also I have given. Please copy down in your copy. Thank you children.